In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter expenses in Xero. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the top here and you want to click on purchases and then you want to click on expenses. Now, when you are inside the expenses menu, you want to click on new expense top right and then you want to click on expense claim. Now, to do this, of course, you'll have to put in a bunch of information. So here you have the purchase amount. I'm just going to do like $30 right now, and you can even itemize this if you want to because, of course, this is completely possible. It's completely up to you. So if you want to, you can do that, or you can switch back to single line and you're good to go as well. Okay, now you have the description over here. For example, if I type in dinner like this, and then here, how did you pay? You could do personal or company money. I'm going to do company money, and of course you have to select the bank account as well. Then you want to select where you spend. So I'm going to do for example, I'm just going to do diner like this. There we go. You can create a new contact or select one on the list if you have them, and of course you want to select the day on which you spent. For me, it's just going to be 22nd of May. Then you have the account over here, so we have to select one. I'm just gonna go and select a random one over here. For example, let's actually just do, I'm just gonna do this one, which is travel and national. Okay, now here you have the region, which is optional as well, and then of course you can assign it to project or customer and then give it a label as well if you want to. Then down here you can see you have the subtotals, so you can see including tax or excluding tax, and then tax on purchases or whatever you want to click on, and here is your summary. Now on the left here you can also upload an image, which allows you to basically drag and drop like a receipt or something similar. Okay, so whenever you do that, click on the save or approve button top right, and that's all you have to do to basically enter expenses. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.